guided meditation, preparing for the weekend and reviving mental health. Take a moment to get comfortable, either sitting or standing, and gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Allow yourself to settle into this moment, letting go of any tension in your body. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a second. And then gently exhale through your mouth, letting go of the week's stress. Let's do this 2 more times. Inhale deeply, hold, and exhale. One last time, breathing in calmness and releasing any tension. Now, bring your attention to your body. Notice the areas where you might still be holding on to stress, perhaps in your shoulders, neck, or back. As you breathe in, imagine a gentle wave of relaxation washing over those areas. With each breath out, feel the tension melting away. Take a deep breath in, allowing the relaxation to grow. And exhale, feeling lighter and more at ease. As the week draws to a close, visualize yourself stepping away from your tasks and worries. Imagine them drifting further and further away with each exhale, leaving you with a sense of peace and calm. Inhale. And exhale. Letting go. Inhale. And exhale. Feeling more relaxed. Now, think about the weekend ahead. Picture a calm, peaceful space, whether it's in nature, at home, or somewhere you find relaxation. Allow yourself to feel the joy of rest and renewal. Breathe in that sense of calm, and breathe out, letting go of any lingering concerns. Take one more deep breath in, feeling grounded and centered. And as you exhale, imagine carrying this sense of peace with you into the weekend. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing your awareness back to the room.